Hi guys, today we are learning class 9 chapter 3 atoms and molecules. So let's begin. Page number 32. First question. In a reaction 5.3 gram of sodium carbonate react with 6 gram of nitric acid. The production were 2.2 gram of carbon dioxide, 0.9 gram water and 8.2 gram of sodium ethanol. Show that these observations are the agreement with the law of conservation of mass. Sodium carbonate, ethanol acid, sodium ethanol, carbon dioxide plus water. Answer. In a given reaction, sodium carbonate react with ethanol acid to produce sodium ethanol, carbon dioxide and water. Sodium carbonate, ethanol acid, sodium ethanol, carbon dioxide plus water. Mass of carbon sodium carbonate is equal to 5.3 gram given. Mass of ethanol acid is equal to 6 gram given. Mass of sodium ethanol is equal to 8.2 gram given. Mass of carbon dioxide is equal to 2.2 gram given. Mass of water is equal to 0.9 gram given. Now the total mass before the reaction is equal to 5.3 plus 6 gram is equal to 11.3 gram, and the total mass after reaction is equal to 8.2 plus 2.2 plus 0.9 gram is equal to 11.3 gram. Total mass before the reaction, total mass after the reaction. Hence the given observation is are in agreement with the law of conservation of mass. Page number 33. Second question. Hydrogen and oxygen combine with in the ratio of 1.8 by mass to form water. What mass of oxygen gas could be required to react completely with 3 gram of hydrogen gas? Answer. It is given that the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen by mass to form water is 1.8. Then the mass of oxygen gas required to react completely with 1 gram of hydrogen gas is 8 gram. Therefore, the mass of oxygen gas required to react completely with 3 gram of hydrogen gas is 8 multiplied by 3 gram is equal to 24 gram. Third question. Which postulate of Dalton atomic theory is the result of the law of conservation of mass? Answer. The postulate of Dalton atoms are individual particles which cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction is the result of law of conservation of mass. Fourth question. Which postulate of Dalton atomic theory can be explained the law of definite proportion? Answer. The postulate of Dalton, the relative number of kinds of atoms are consist in a given compound can be explained the law of defined proportion. Page number 35. The defined atomic mass unit. Answer. The mass unit equal to existing 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon minus 12 is called one atomic mass unit. It is right as U. Second question. Why is it not possible to see an atom with naked eyes? Answer. The size of an atom is so small that it is not possible to see with naked eyes. Also, the atoms of an element does not exist independently. Page number 39. First question, write down the formula of sodium dioxide is equal to Na2O. Second question, aluminum chloride is equal to AlCl3. Third question, sodium sulfate is equal to Na2S. And fourth, magnesium hydroxide is equal to Mg bracket OH bracket close 2. Second question, write down the name of compounds respected by the following formula. First, Al2 bracket SO4 bracket close 3, aluminum sulfate. Second, CaCl2, cellular chloride. Third, K2SO4, potassium sulfate. Fourth, KNO3, potassium nithrate. Fifth, CaCO3, carbonate. Third, what is meant by the terms chemical formula? Answer. The chemical formula of a compound is a symbolic representation of its composition. Fourth, how many atoms are present in an first H2S molecule and second PO4 minus 3 ION? Answer. First, in an H2OS molecule, 3 atoms are present, 2 of hydrogen, 1 of sulfur. And second, in a PO4 minus 3 NiON, 5 atoms are present, 1 of phosphorus and 4 of oxygen. Page number 14. First question, the molecule mass of H2O2, Cl2, CO2, CH4, C2H6, C2H4, NH3, CH3OH. Answer. Molecular space of H2 is equal to 2 multiplied by atomic mass of H is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2U. And molecular space of mass of O2 is equal to 2 multiplied by atomic mass of O is equal to 2 multiplied by 16 is equal to 32U. Molecular space of Cl2 is equal to 2 multiplied by atomic mass of Cl is equal to 2 multiplied by 35.5 is equal to 71U. Molecular mass of CO2 is equal to atomic mass of C plus 2 multiplied by atomic mass of O is equal to 12 plus 2 multiplied by 16 is equal to 44U. Molecular mass of CH4 is equal to atomic mass of C plus 4 multiplied by atomic mass of H is equal to 12 plus 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 16U. Molecular mass of C2H6 is equal to 2 multiplied by atomic mass of C plus 6 multiplied by atomic mass of H is equal to 2 multiplied by 12 plus 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 30U. Molecular mass of C2H4 is equal to 2 multiplied by atomic mass of C plus 4 multiplied by atomic mass of H is equal to 2 multiplied by 12 plus 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 28U. Molecular mass of NH3 is equal to atomic mass of N plus 3 multiplied by atomic mass of H is equal to 14 plus 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 17 U. Molecular mass of CH3OH is equal to atomic mass of C plus 3 multiplied by atomic mass of H is equal plus atomic mass of O plus atomic mass of H is equal to 12 plus 3 multiplied by 1 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to 32 U. Second question. Calculate the formula unit mass of ZNO, Na2O, K2CO given atomic mass of Zn is equal to 65U, Na is equal to 32U, K is equal to 39U, C is equal to 12U, and O is equal to 16U. Answer. The formula unit mass of ZNO is equal to atomic mass of Zn plus atomic mass of O is equal to 65 plus 16 is equal to 81U. Formula unit mass of Na2O is equal to 2 multiplied by atomic mass of Na plus atomic mass of O is equal to 2 multiplied by 23 plus 16 is equal to 32U. Formula unit mass of K2CO3 is equal to 2 multiplied by atomic mass of K plus atomic mass of C plus 3 multiplied by atomic mass of O is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 9 plus 12 plus 3 multiplied by 16 is equal to 78 plus 12 plus 48 is equal to 122U. Page number 42. First question. If a 1 mole of carbon atom weighs 12 gram, what is the mass in gram of one atom of carbon? Answer. 1 mole of carbon atoms weight 12 gram given, etc. Mass of 1 mole of carbon atoms is 12 gram. Give 12 gram. Then mass of 6.022 multiplied by 1023 number of carbon atoms is equal to 12 gram. Therefore, mass of one atom of carbon is equal to 12 divided by 6.022 multiplied by 1032 is equal to 1.9926 multiplied by 10 minus 23 gram. Second question. Which has the more number of atoms, 100 gram of sodium or 100 gram of iron? Given atomic mass of Na is equal to 23U and Fe is equal to 56U. Answer. Atomic mass of Na is equal to 23U given. Then gram of atomic mass of Na is equal to 23. Now 23 of Na constant is equal to 6.022 multiplied by 10 23 gram number items. Thus 100 gram of Na contain is equal to 6.022 multiplied by 10 23 multiplied by 100 number of atoms is equal to 2.6182 multiplied by 1024 number of atoms. Against atomic mass of Fe is equal to 56 U given. Then gram atomic mass of Fe is equal to 56 gram. Now 56 gram of Fe contain is equal to 6.022 multiplied by 1023 gram of atoms. Thus 100 gram of Fe contain is equal to 6.022 multiplied by 1023. 56 multiplied by 100. Number of atoms is equal to 1.0753 multiplied by 1024 number of atoms. Therefore, 100 gram of sodium carbonate more number of atoms than 100 gram of iron.